So, hi, friends. Good to be back here with you guys. And I hope you all enjoyed the live chat with Dr. Sandeep Marva yesterday. And it was lovely to get positive feedback and inspires me even more to do it regularly. So, today we have with us beautiful, young, multi talented, universal reporter, author, and a motivational speaker, Shreya Katyal, on Madhvi's Luxury Chat Show, where luxury meets international journalist Shreya here. Shreya Katyal. Warm welcome to you, Shreya.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It really means a lot.
Everyone has a story. Yeah, pleasure. And as we know that everyone has a story, and today we would love to know your story, your journey. So, right here with Shreya Katyal.
Yeah, very well said that every person is a story in itself. आप भी एक कहानी हो, कोई और भी एक कहानी है. It's just that some people come to the forefront. And my story begins as a writer only. मैं बचपन से जो भी चीज होती थी, कुछ भी एक्सप्रेशन होता था, वो मेरा पोइट्री में या वर्ड्स के थ्रू निकलता था. सो माई पेन नेम इज दिल की आवाज. दिल पे लगती है, आंखों से बहती है और पन्नों पे उतर जाती है, वही दिल की आवाज कहलाती है. सो द जर्नी केप्ट ऑन. स्कूल में भी काफी प्लेटफॉर्म मिले अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करने के, क्रिएटिव स्किल्स दिखाने के. एंड क्रिएटिविटी इज द एयर आई ब्रीथ. So whether it's anything, I would like to see that thing through my creative eye: photography, writing, shero shairi, and talking to people, knowing people like we are doing today. So that is all. And then my journey includes my writings, and recently I've authored a book on Dr. Sandeep Marva only, A Walk in the Corridors of Eternity, which is his life story, a biography, plus a positive mental attitude book. And then I have interacted. I have been blessed to interact with so many people from all walks of life, whether it's artists, actors, dancers, singers, and diplomats of varied countries. So that has given a boost to my intellect, and journey is still going on.
Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, wonderful. And you are still young and you have a long way to go. I'm sure you're going to go places and do great, much bigger and better than what you're already doing. And I'm sure your experience with writing Sandeep Marvaji's book on Walk in the Corridors must have been an amazing experience, because it must have been such a learning experience.
The title in itself suggests that it's a walk in the corridors of eternity. So you keep on learning, growing every day. There's no end.
Right.
And अभी प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन ही आप देख लीजिए कि जिनको जहाँ चाह है वहाँ जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है, क्योंकि जिनको काम करना है वो आज भी कर रहे हैं. घर पे बैठे नहीं है,
Right.
लॉकडाउन है, फिर भी वो अपनी क्रिएटिव स्किल्स दिखा रहे हैं, कुछ ना कुछ क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे को इंस्पायर कर रहे हैं. सो लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट दैट.
Yeah, and I would love to know that you are such a multi-talented person, and I'm sure even COVID-19 is not stopping people who are really active and who are, very creative people. So I'm sure you must be doing a lot of things even now, despite of the lockdown. So what's your routine like? What exactly, how exactly are you passing your time, and what's your routine in COVID-19 as of now?
See, I would just say this thing that for me, lockdown is a blessing because जो creations होती हैं वो lockdown में ही होती हैं, presentations होती हैं जो बाद public में आती है. So for a person like me who's a writer and who loves to spend time with herself, lockdown is really a blessing. I click a lot of pictures of nature, and then I get creative ideas when I'm in solitude. I write, मैं लिखती हूँ, and recordings करती हूँ, editing करती हूँ, reading करती हूँ. So ये time ऐसा है कि मैं बहुत सारी creativity और knowledge imbibe कर सकती हूँ. So that later when this thing opens up and I again get a platform to present my skills live, then I have a lot of content again. So अभी मैं content imbibe कर रही हूँ. I cook, then I write, I do my poetry, I recite, I read, and I do exercise. So toning up my body, everything. So I'm enjoying the
Really
time.
nice.
Self
Really
uh,
nice.
self work.
Yeah, and so inspiring for so many people who must be listening to the live chat today here. So lockdown doesn't mean a lockdown. You can be in a lockdown and do so many things. And
I, I
also,
can
Shreya.
I can share a very favorite quote of mine जो मैंने एक शेर लिखा था. और मैं पहले भी कहती थी कि हम लोग इतना तेज भाग रहे हैं लाइफ की रेस में कि हम अपनों को, जिनके लिए हम अर्न कर रहे हैं या जिनके लिए हम ये सब चीजें एक्यूमुलेट कर रहे हैं, मनी या जो भी चीजें हैं, उनको टाइम नहीं दे रहे हैं. सो इस पे मैंने एक लिखा था शेर, दैट इज, पैसे की भूख ऐसी लगी कि कमाने निकल गए. पैसे की भूख ऐसी लगी कि कमाने निकल गए, मगर अपने कहीं पीछे छूट गए क्योंकि कमाते कमाते जमाने निकल गए. सो दिस इज द टाइम कि जिनके लिए आपने कमाया है उनके साथ आप स्पेंड करिए और मेमोरीज बनाइए, रादर देन क्रिबिंग एवरीडे की लॉकडाउन में फंसा हुआ हूँ ये वो. ये समय भी निकल जाएगा.
Right, very nice. And also, I would like to know that how do you see, since you are an international journalist, how do you see journalism in the present scenario, and how is it going to go forward? And in future, what is the scope of journalism according to
See,
you?
everything has both the sides, positives also and negatives also. So journalism, if we say that today we are chatting, that is also part of journalism, and we are using it very
Absolutely.
constructively to inspire people, to express ourselves. एंड वैसे भी बहुत दिन हो गए थे मिले हुए, तो इट्स अ वे टू कैच अप अगेन ऑल्सो. ये तो बहाना है कि हम दोबारा मिल पाए जिन लोगों को रोज देखा करते थे. तो वो गुड
Right.
साइड हो गई जर्नलिज्म की. बट देन इफ यू आर पोर्ट्रेइंग एवरी डे नेगेटिव न्यूज, नेगेटिव फैक्ट्स, yellow journalism, fake news to create that heroic and gain TRPs, then it's not good. So journalism as a tool can be used both the ways, depend ये करता है कि आप उसे कैसे यूज कर रहे हैं. So that is the case. So I would say that journalism is doing pretty well in the hands of people who want to make it good.
Right.
And
Because sometimes we really don't want to read only negative news and the papers are filled with all negativity. So I think sometimes journalism, like the way we are chatting here, we are trying to motivate, inspire, and let people stay positive in this scenario and not just project a thing which is just black and dull and gloomy. So this way,
देखिए, जैसा कि हम लोग पहले से जानते ही हैं कि ग्लास आधा भरा है या आधा खाली है, वो तो आपका माइंडसेट है ना. किसी इंसान को एडवर्सिटी में भी अपॉर्चुनिटी दिख जाती है और कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी में भी एडवर्सिटी ही ढूंढता है कि चांद में
right,
तो
true,
दाग है, उसको चांद नहीं दिखेगा पूरा, बट उसको वो दाग दिखेगा एक. तो इट इज इंटायरली योर माइंडसेट, हाउ यू सी लाइफ. लाइफ इज नथिंग बट योर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ योर माइंड. So that is,
right, absolutely.
I would just suggest that don't hop on to negative news. जैसे positivity एक addiction है, वैसी negativity भी एक addiction बन जाती है. So
Well said, yeah.
it's really a practice. You have to channelize it. कोई और नहीं कर सकता है. आपको कोई खाना बना के दे सकता है पर आपके मुंह में नहीं डाल सकता. So हम लोग सिर्फ suggest कर सकते हैं through our lifestyle, through our expression, but then you have to follow. You have to choose.
True, absolutely. And I would like to also know from you, Shreya, since I consult on the luxury segment, and I would love to know what do you think of relationship or connection of luxury with journalism? How do you connect and relate journalism to luxury?
Luxury, I would say it's a beautiful feel. And once you feel good about things and you do things in style, that thing comes out to be 100 times better than what it is. So it's a very important field. And I must say that you are really doing very well in your field and encouraging people all around, inspiring them. And living in style is very important, guys. So I would say that the connection of journalism and luxury. See, journalism is touching every field. Every field, any field requires journalism. चाहे वो एक डॉक्टर है, चाहे वो एक छोटा सा ग्रोसरी स्टोर है, या फिर कोई रेस्टोरेंट है, या फिर कोई पॉलिटिशियन है, या आपकी लग्जरी फील्ड है, हर एक को चाहिए कि वो जो काम कर रहे हैं वो प्रेजेंट कर पाए, उसको एक्सप्रेस कर पाए. तो जर्नलिज्म इज अ काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन फॉर एवरी फील्ड. So obviously it is related to luxury when you have those kind of events to write them down, to present them, and the photography thing, the writing thing, the promotional thing, the videography, everything comes under journalism. So it's not untouched by luxury as well. And it needs, both the fields need each other's support.
Absolutely. It goes completely hand in hand.
Also need some material to report on or to write on. So
Yep, absolutely.
we both grow together.
Yeah, go hand in hand. Totally. I agree with
Exactly.
you. So, other thing I would love to know from you that you are such a multi-talented person. So, what do we see you more as a journalist, as a, reporter, author, anchor, or a motivational coach?
So I would say that I am not a reporter, but I am a motivator. You would never
Mhm.
find me reporting something negative or just telling something like creative. अगर कुछ negative भी होगा तो मैं try करूंगी उसको positive way में promote करने की, क्योंकि कहते हैं कि journalists, the media, they
Mhm.
have the power to shape the minds of people. आप जो भी
Absolutely.
दिखाएंगे आप एक सोच बना सकते हैं. आपके हाथ में इतनी पावर है, पावर ऑफ पेन कहते हैं कि आप किसी भी तरीके से किसी का दिमाग अपने उसको मोल्ड कर सकते हैं. सो सिंस
True.
गॉड हैज गिवन यू द स्किल, दिस पावर, यू हैव टू यूज इट वेरी जुडिशियली. एंड आई ट्राई टू मोटिवेट पीपल एंड आई बिलीव इन द लॉ ऑफ सीक्रेट. सो जिस तरीके से आप सोचेंगे वैसी रियलिटी बनने लग जाती है, तो क्यों ना कुछ अच्छा सोच लें. So,
Right. So,
motivational speaker, motivational writer, anyone who's creative and inspiring people, you can tag me in that category.
lovely. And it's so nice to hear such positive views coming from a young journalist. And I hope we have many more like you who have this kind of a mindset and, have such
I
a
get the
beautiful way of
I get the fuel from people who are so positive and charming with good vibes like you. So it's
Oh,
vice
thank
versa. I
you.
get the energies, I throw them
Yeah.
back.
Yeah, I think like minded people get together. And also, what is the message?
When like-minded people meet, great things automatically happen.
Absolutely. And also, Shreya, like, what is one message in these times, one good positive message you would like to give to the audience at this time?
I would say that see, as we have discussed earlier also, that how you see life is entirely up to you. और कहते हैं कि चाहे अच्छा समय हो चाहे बुरा समय हो वो निकल ही जाता है. तो
Right.
इसीलिए अभी जो आपको ये टाइम मिला है लॉकडाउन का, इंडिया इज डूइंग प्रीटी वेल. एंड यू कैन सी दैट हमारे जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं मोदी जी, उनको मतलब नेशनली इंटरनेशनली रिकॉग्नाइज किया जा रहा है, उनसे कंसल्टेंसी ली जा रही है, बिकॉज ही इज सो स्पिरिचुअली इंक्लाइंड. एंड वंस ही वाज स्पिरिचुअली इंक्लाइंड, सी स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज नॉट अबाउट पूजा पाठ, इट्स द वे टू
Mhm.
लीव लाइफ. कोई क्राइसिस आता है आपका, फैमिली क्राइसिस, नेशन क्राइसिस, फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस, इमोशनल क्राइसिस, आप उससे कैसे फाइट करते हैं, कैसे बैलेंस मेंटेन रखते हैं, दैट इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी. लोगों को
Totally agree.
लोगों को स्पिरिचुअलिटी का मतलब ही नहीं पता. उनको लगता है कि
Right.
पूजा करें, बैठ जाए मंदिर में, या हम किसी गुरु जी को फॉलो करें, दैट इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी. नो, स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज हाउ यू लीड योर लाइफ. So, if you're
Absolutely.
spiritually inclined, you're connected to the environment, to the
Mhm.
happenings around your own intuition, then you can deal with any crisis, which Modi ji is really doing very well and taking good steps for us. And in this time also, we should sit back, listen to the orders, complete lockdown, cherish yourself, your family, and learn new things every day. My mantra is one new thing each day. So that gives me a lot of fuel कि मैंने कुछ बनाया, मैंने कुछ सीखा, एक अपलिफ्टमेंट हुई. तो ये जो दिन है, ऐसा टाइम मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी की भी लाइफ में आया होगा, किसी जनरेशन की जो इतना भाग रही है कि तुम्हें छुट्टियां दी जा रही है. मतलब यू हैव गिवन हॉलीडेज कि बैठो
True.
और मतलब कुछ नया सीखो, और जो पैसे कमाए उनको थोड़ा अच्छे से अपने ऊपर स्पेंड करो.
True.
So
So
it's a
very
nice
well.
time. Don't feel sad about it, or don't crib about it, complain about it. Just cherish it, I would say. And this will also pass. Again, फिर वही वाला लाइफस्टाइल आ जाएगा. पहले आप कहते थे यार मुझे ऑफिस नहीं जाना, मुझे छुट्टी चाहिए. अब छुट्टी मिल गई है तो भी आप रो रहे हो. तो रोने की आदत तो आपको ही है ना.
Right, true. Very well expressed because I think spirituality is not just being spiritual by going to the temples or praying, it's also in your day to day
That's
life.
religion. That's religion.
Yeah,
That's not
absolutely.
spirituality. सो
Right,
स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज हाउ यू लीड योर लाइफ. जब एक्चुअली वो सिचुएशन आती है तो जो कोट्स पढ़े थे, जो ज्ञान लिया था, वो यूज कर पा रहे हो या नहीं, दैट इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी.
right. Just as I say, luxury is not just being very materialistic and buying expensive stuff or goods. Luxury is also spending time with your family, spending time with your children, and making the best of the time with your family as well for some people. So same way, I think spirituality is also, not just
even
being
having good class of thoughts can also be termed as luxury. Because
absolutely.
जो आप अंदर feel कर रहे हो वही तो आप express करोगे ना. You create something inside, whether it's anger or a good feeling, and you throw it out. So
Right.
feeling the bliss is also luxury, I would say.
Yeah. Now I'll open the session for a question answer round to the audience. If there is anybody who would like to put up a question, and we would really like it to make it an interactive session, because that's the idea. So please feel free to ask any question from the International Journalist Shreya Kachal here.
Okay, so do we have any questions? I will answer it. चलिए जब तक ये क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं हमसे, मैं आपको एक और शेर सुना देती हूँ. So this was on this is something also related to the present time, and it was like कि मैंने पहले लिखा था, अर्ज किया है कल जो बीत गया वो वापस नहीं आएगा. Just to inspire a bit. So कल जो बीत गया वो वापस नहीं आएगा, कल जो होना है हो ही जाएगा, मगर इन दोनों की फिक्र में बंदे तेरा आज कहीं खो जाएगा. तो अपना ये वाला आज मत खोइए, हर मोमेंट बहुत
Be in the
important.
present moment. Yes,
Yeah.
live in the present moment.
Exactly. Life is all working on hopes. आपको नहीं पता कि आपको next breath आ रही है या नहीं. That is also hope कि आएगी.
Right.
So why are you wasting?
And I think this too shall pass and we shall overcome. And we look forward to more interactive sessions. And it was lovely to have you, Shreya, here among us. And
I think we should just like tell them that we are soon going to come with something very exciting for them. So which is going to be
more like a panel discussion after this. After the chats, we are going to come up with panel discussions.
And of course, that is related to a social cause as well. So we need a lot of support from all you people.
Yeah, really looking forward, and I'm sure you'll be interested and you're enjoying these sessions by us. And we have much more to come up with and offer. So look forward to seeing you all. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks, Shreya. Bye-bye. Have a great day, everybody.
Thank you so much. Stay inspired. See you soon.
Bye-bye. See you.
Bye, guys.